Hey everyone, Hasher from hashtag and welcome back to my new video. Xiaomi Mi 10 is officially launched in China and device will go sale on China from February 14th. Both phones support wireless charging powered by latest Snapdragon 865 chipset and have the first Mi branded devices with a punch hole in the display for the selfie camera. So let me give some of the features of Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro in this video. Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro featured a powerful 108 MP primary sensor with a 8p lens, and this is the main highlight in previous rumors. For support, a long telephoto lens supporting 10x hybrid zoom, a shorter 12 megapixel 2x telephoto for portrait shots, and 20 megapixel ultra wide angle snapper, which make Mi 10 Pro more impressive. An earlier report suggested that the Mi 10 series come with the latest Wi-Fi 6 standard in the 5G era, but now it's official with the Wi-Fi 6. Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro comes with the powerful Snapdragon 865 SoC, which will be paired with an Adreno 650 GPU, LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.0 storage. It comes with a 6.67 AMOLED Full HD Plus screen with curved edges. The panel supports the 90Hz refresh rate and the not 120Hz, but includes 180Hz touch sampling rate. As rumored earlier, the phone has 1200 nit peak brightness, HDR10 Plus and DC dimming. On the side, there is a 4500 mAh battery that can be charged up to 50 volt through a cable, 13 volt wirelessly, and also capable of reverse charging other gadgets at 10 volt. Moreover, Xiaomi priced this phone for the affordable price range to buy, which means the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro price possibly starting from $700 for 8GB and 256GB storage. That's all for today guys, so let me know your thoughts about the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Xiaomi device. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Time for watching it. Namaskar from hashtag.